Hello everyone, in this video, I will be explaining how to clear RAM cache on your Windows 11 and Windows 10. For that, go to your Task Manager and open Performance section. Around 7.9 GB cache memory on my computer. This is a lot of space that has been occupied, and if I want to free it out, there is a simple method. You need to open a website that is RAMmap, which is a Microsoft product, so it is totally safe. You will be getting the link in description. You need to open the website, then click download RAMmap. Then you just need to extract the file, and you will see all files are being extracted now. Here you have to look for rammap.exe. Open that file and click on Agree. Now I'm dragging this cache memory to the left-hand side and RAMmap on the right-hand side so I can show you the difference it makes. Now click on Empty option, then click on Empty Standby List. And once I click on it, you will notice that cache memory is going down. Now it has been reduced into 225 MB. Whenever your cache memory goes high, you can come back to RAMmap and clear cache memory. Hopefully, guys, you will find this video helpful, and do not forget to like the video. And I see you in the next video.